Hello traders, welcome to Option Stack channel. In this video, we will be covering up the mistakes that we have done for 23rd September and the amount that we have paid it for that mistake. So let's start up traders. My console, and if you check right till 16th from 1st September till 16th September, it was all good traders. We were in very much control. We had done around 40k of profit. Some days are really not good. So as you see, right, Nifty gave a very back-to-back good moves on the upside, downsides, and we have paid for that. The penalty we have paid really very bad. So the first penalty, if you see, right, I have paid here 25,000 of the penalty. So that has take out all the profit, and the left out was 11k, and that I have paid off today. So this is what is my today's trade. So I have paid up 11,000 here, and I have paid 25,000 previous day. So well that sums up what whatever we earned we have lost in just 2 days of trade. So the mistakes learned, first thing is when it reached to the 25k, I had to that is not our loss limit. So our loss limit is 10 to 15,000. If it is within that, we have to adjust our trades, and either we have to adjust our trade, or either we have to close our strategy for that week, and then proceed until markets become slow down. So the main problem here was with the Nifty, guys. Nifty was so volatile that yeah, traders. Nifty was so volatile that it has given a very big moves. See, if you check from here, it has given some 420 moves, and it has come down to the same level. Like these are all in very quick times, traders. So 15th September and this is 20th September. And this, if you take out 2 days of weekend, so this generally does not happen regularly. So when it happens, you have to pay off, and we have paid that. We have paid that in very huge number. We could have reduced that to say 20k or maximum 30k, not more than that. So we have paid around whatever we earned it till now. So we have left with another two expiries, still expiry on 23rd, and we have expiry on last 30th. Uh, See traders, our strategy is we are earning what? So what we are earning is, okay, we are earning 1% only for our capital. So if I am investing 10k, so I am getting, if I am investing 10 lakhs, I am earning only 10k a month. Not a month, I'm earning 10k a week. So I can't afford to lose 30k in a week, right? So I can't afford that in a week to lose, guys. So what has happened now is we have lost 30k. So which is not good according to me. So it is not at all good, traders. So we have not maintained our risk potentials. So we have paid 30k in just back-to-back days. So I have come across a plan now. So we'll stick to that. The plan is very simple, guys. So the protocols that we will follow is, first thing, we'll not trade beyond if the delta is gone 15, more than 15. So if the delta is more than 15, we will not trade. Okay. Now this is our uh, first protocol, and the second protocol I suggest is the adjustment. How we will do the adjustment? So what we do, we generally take a 10 delta and put the trade. If the delta is crossed 10 delta on any one of the side, we'll try to match it at the when the delta is reached at 15. Okay, so we will match it and we will leave it. So if suppose after adjusting one time, and if it has reached to 20k, the delta is reached to 20 on any one of the side, we'll book the loss if we are running on the loss, or if we are running on the profit. we'll book the loss and then we will exit, which could come around 10k. So this is what we will plan. This is our first thing. Based on delta we will trade. The second protocol we will be having is we will trade by aiming 10k profit. Right, traders, we will be aiming with 10k profit. Oh, okay. So we will be aiming with the 10k profit a week, and suppose we reach 5k loss. Okay, that is 5. If we are running on 5k loss, we'll try to adjust that, and we will reduce our risk. So we'll drag this 5k loss till minus 10k, and we will keep adjusting until we don't reach here. Okay, so this is our second protocol. So one we will drag till 10k loss. We'll try to keep on manipulating things and adjusting things to make sure we minimize our loss. Once we reach our 10k, we will book the loss and we will not trade for that week anymore. So this is our strategy. That is the second protocol. So we'll stick with this protocols, traders, so that if we lose minus one in 1 week, if we lose 10k, we will try to make up this in the next week. Now the mistake that I have done is all the 3 weeks profit I have lost in just 2 days. So here I have lost 25,000 and I have lost 11,000 here. So here I have stick to my protocol to not lose more than 11,000. So not lose more than 10,000. So that is what rule I had set. Overall, traders 23rd expiry has been really bad for me. So let me check if now I'll not be trading unless till expiry day. So on the expiry day only I will trade it something to fetch around 10k of the profit. So on the in between I'll not trade for any day. I'll now trade on 23rd, and the next trade we will put for the 30th expiry. That's all, traders. Stay tuned for getting updates and motivational from my end to check your trades and copy my trades. Okay, traders, that's all for the day. So I'll please feel free to subscribe to my channel to get the regular updates.